Hello, grade 10 science. This is your intro video for Unit 9. Unit 9 is our first unit on physics. It's basically centered around light and how light is produced. We're going to start Unit 9 by doing a brainstorming activity of what are the different kinds of lights that you know of, where does light come from, and we're going to do a brainstorming activity. So basically we're going to use this app to do it. It's called Padlet. You can go to my Twitter page and look at all my past tweets, and you'll find one that's for grade 10 science, and it's got a link for a Padlet page. It's called Padlet. Or you can just come to my website and you can just work right off of my website right here in this window. This is embedded into the page. So when you want to work on it, you just double click on the document, put a title, the sun, whatever it is you're going to add, and then you can use these links right here to add pictures. So this is how you would upload a picture that's saved to your phone. If you Google imaged it, you saved the URL link, you can click on this, punch in the link, and hit add, and it'll put the picture there as well. Okay, that's how I basically did this. I put a picture of a lighter, and then I said how I think that a lighter works, how it creates the light. Okay, so we're going to do that just kind of to brainstorm different kinds of light. And then we are going to do the lesson. In the lesson, we're going to watch some different videos on the different kinds of lights and how they work. And then we're going to do a lesson. Okay, the lesson basically involves the different kinds of light, the energy that they use, and examples of those kinds of lights. And then we're going to study how light is a form of energy. Light is a form of energy. All kinds of energy are kind of represented by wavelength. The more intense the energy is, the shorter the wavelength is. The less intense it is, the wider the wavelengths get. Okay? And light, visible light that we can see, actually falls here on this wavelength spectrum. Okay? So I know I'm moving a little quick. You don't have to understand it now, but this is stuff that we're going to cover in class, and we'll go over all of this. Once we've done the lesson, once we've watched the videos, once we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to come back to our brainstorming activity, and we're actually going to put the kind of light that these are. So we'll go back in, and we'll put the title. This is an incandescent form of light that transforms chemical energy into light. Okay, so we'll go back in there and we'll tag all those things and we'll save it. And then this will stay on our website as a working document that we can use to study to understand the different forms of light. Once we've done all that, we've done the lesson, we've updated our Padlet page, you're going to come in here individually and you're going to do this worksheet. Once this worksheet's completed, you're going to hand it in for marking. I will not be handing this back until everyone has it in. I will be setting a due date once we have finished all the lessons and everything of when this is due, and students that do not meet that due date will get a 0, and I'll be handing the rest of this stuff back to the class. I don't want to hand it back to people and then they give it to others to use to copy. This is important learning. If you come to lessons, if you do the activities with us, you ought to be fine in terms of doing it. Everybody should do fairly well on that. Okay. After that, that's basically the unit. Once it's done, hand it in, and good luck.